Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin in the Trust Wallet app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the app, tap on the Buy icon located at the top of the screen. This will take you to a page that displays all the available cryptocurrencies you can purchase. Scroll down and select Bitcoin from the list. On the next screen, enter the amount of dollars you want to spend on Bitcoin. The minimum amount you can buy is $1 worth of Bitcoin. After entering the amount, select the payment platform you want to use to complete the purchase. There are several options available like Ramp and Transact. Choose the one that works best for you. Once you've selected the platform, tap on the Buy button. This will launch the payment platform's website within the Trust Wallet app. Here, you can select your preferred payment method, enter the required details, and complete the Bitcoin purchase. After the transaction is successful, the Bitcoin you purchase will be automatically added to your Trust Wallet balance. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin directly within the Trust Wallet app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.